23-22. Lamina reverses to Solomon. Sent back by Perdido. Sa kabila, Alinsug, lumusot. Gula chases. Jurado sends it. Lamina will choose Solomon. Gula with a dig. Banaco unable to get it. It was right in front of her. But Carvalho was also chasing. That's why she decided to let it go.
It's always important to keep on talking habang nasa ere pa yung bola.
And as I always say, it is easier said than done in this crowd, Neil. Hindi magkarinigan. 23-all. Jurado with a tip. Coach Kung Fu did not like that. That's why. That's why. Set point. And you.
It was definitely a mistake on Jorado's part. We saw the reaction of Coach Kung Fu.
Yes.
Kasi Carvalho left an open block for Jurado, but she
Tipped it.
tipped it over. And alam natin that when NU gets a soft touch, at lakas ng balik ng bola papunta sa UST.
Lalo na pag nandyan yung Solomon. Set point number 1. Pepito Inagaw. Carvalho, pinato kay Perdido. Belen with a dig. Solomon again. Pulls! And you take set 1.